It has been 3 months since we started the mead, almost to the day. And so what we're going to do is today we are going to move this to a few bottles. Exciting. We are ready. Gently does it. My third hand. Enough for a taster later. Given that it's breakfast time though, I am going to leave this to later in the day. I know, lightweight. So this is the taster of our mead. It's very early and you can definitely smell the honey. Very sweet, very long lingering alcohol taste. That feels to me like the very good starting point for what I know will improve with age. At the moment it's a little bit sort of alcohol strong, you know, so you get that sort of alcohol hit, but still very pleasant scent. And a very nice little sipping type drink for the evening. So far so good for the mead.